I don't think there's nothing new in this video for you, but let's describe, just in case, the blood vessels of the pulmonary circulation. So where does the pulmonary circulation begins? Right here in your right ventricle. And let's describe first the arteries of the right ventricle. Remember, arteries are going away from the heart. So we start right here in the right ventricle, and you can see right here the pulmonary trunk. And the pulmonary trunk divides into two branches. Here we have, this is the right and the left pulmonary arteries. They deliver blood to each of the lungs. We will see in the next chapter in the respiratory system that the left lung, as you can see, have 1 and 2 sections or 2 lobes, and in the right one we have 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna follow the arteries in blue because remember they're carrying deoxygenated blood. We have 1, 2, 3 lobar, 1 for each lobe of the lung, right on 3 on the right side, and only 1 and 2 on the left side. These lobar arteries keep branching into, we're not going there, but until we have pulmonary arterioles. And these pulmonary arterioles lead to the pulmonary capillaries. And what happens at the level of the capillaries? Remember, gas exchange. So this is one of the pulmonary capillaries. See, one single layer of endothelial cells with the basement membrane. So right in there, and these are we'll describe them also in the next chapter, these are the alveoli. This is where the oxygen is. Don't they look like little grapes? So right here, where is the oxygen? The oxygen is delivered, or actually the red blood cells pick up this oxygen and give up the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is expelled and the oxygen oxygenates the blood. So all of these capillaries merge or empty into little pulmonary venules. Now we are in the red, smaller veins in there. These are small venules that they merge together and form bigger veins. See, medium-sized veins. We have lobar veins, and then look, 1, 2, 3 lobar veins, and they, at the end, they form 2 pulmonary veins on the right side, 2 pulmonary veins on the left side, and the 4 of them empty into where? The left atrium. That's where we end the pulmonary circulation. So it begins in the right ventricle, ends in the left atrium. That's it. So see you in the next video. Let's talk a little bit about the systemic circulation. Of course, a little bit more extensive.